Hi there, welcome back to my channel. We are Tamti Kande video day. Kande se Kande nei ko naya kiba. Ningthang be manne video ko part 1, part 2 video ko nai nai. Be video ko nai de. Tene janga 73.1 ni exercise for ko kalamgan. Ningthang nai lamai thade. Please keep watching.
Part 3 video.
Sigang tharao manse homework. Be homework ko kalam thade. Be video ko naikhanini unao be homework ko khalam. Very easy homework, alright? Easy thar gabara nunga. Question ane jaiting neibe. Hunai coordinate purni jeng ha manni coordinate dongte. Thangger hankani somantai ko dihun. Manni coordinate dungo, okay? Maybe jaibe first coordinate, okay? Biti pricing ha dongwe are second coordinate. Maybe they second coordinate. This is second coordinate. This is first coordinate. Behind janga munche finger line. Be finger line ni soman tayama. What is the equation for this particular straight line? Be mani coordinate ko lana ni banane be finger hankani equation ama. Be ni equation. Pinne ko manai ni unao comment section of live there. All right, let us get going. Thangnai video jenge sengti bidang 3.1 ni exercise 1 nei ko senglo 1 ko jeng kalam khoi. Tini jenge exercise 2 and 3 ko kalam gan. Okay. All right, bene jabe sengti 2. Mense cricket hanjani coach 3,900 rangau gong 3 bets mentam bet by the 3 bets. Are for 6 ball, mando ball by the Unao, be it 1,300 rangjeng, eke recomni gong se bet 1 bet, are thortam ball by uding de, and tom. Bet hasariko, reda sankanti, are bumswari permai. Okay, very easy. Jenga ball ni price, eba bet ni price ko mitya de. Nakane jenga, homnani labai baune. Homnale de kong se bet ni tama x jeng mitya nakani x variable lade selection lade okay are force ball ni ko jeng y homnani lade because we don't know the price kong se bet ni price kong se ball ni price jeng mitya nakani x and y homnani lade then your first nibe 3,900 ni gong 3 bet by ding nibe and kind 3 into x. Mentam bet by eba, jeng x yang multiply kalau dengan mana x ane kongsi bet ni price, right? Besen. Take by the mendo ball by the right, and kind 6 into y. Base by total cost. Pura besen abine. So this is equal to 3900. 3900. Okay. That include easy simplify kalamba bewaji menken 3 a common jaina kane dan wa jenga bewaji menken. Here this is easy jengre khago. Okay. Now we have to find out the coordinates. Coordinate per ko jeng different nangan kane be table ko jeng hagalo pane khade. Okay. Now when x equal to 0, x ni below jodi 0 jaiba, nahi bi jodi 0 jaiba ma jaga. Y ni value 2y equal to 1300, right? Tabi ko jeng 2 jeng divide kalba y menken. So 6500. Okay. Now second coordinate jai if the value of y is 0, nibo y ko 0 kalamnan lai be kachu 0 jagan, right? Y is 0. Amba x ni below majagan. X equal to 1300 jagan, right? This is the coordinates. Okay, so then how many coordinates by x? One coordinate is 0, y ni coordinate. So coordinate is 650. Second coordinate is 1300 and 0. Okay, now next equation. Next equation मा बुंदों आरो बायबावदों बेसेबां बेट बायदों गंसे बेट बायदों आरो बेसेबां बल बायदों गंथाम बल बायदों ओके दाजाबा जों मोनगोन 1300 मानोना नै होखानाय दं 1300 ओके 1300 ओके दानिया बेखौ जोङो टेबोलाव दोननोसै x and y भेल्युखौ टेबोलाव दिहुननानै लानोसै ओके when x equal to 0 when this is 0 okay what is the value of y y बे जाबाय 3y equal to 1300 जागोन right बेखौ जोङो y नि भेल्युखौ दिहुनोबा नैबे अनजिमाखौ जोङो 3 जों राननांगोन जाहैदों 3 जों रानोबा जोङो बेखौ मोनगोन okay when x is 0 y equal to 433.33 okay then the next if I say y equal to 0 what happens नैबे को y को हम 0 होयोबा बे 0 जागोन गासिबो बा x नि भेल्युआ मा जागोन 1300 right this is the value of x okay दानिया जों बावबो मोननै coordinates मोनबाय now let us draw the graph all right graph को बोयोबा जों बेबादि नुगोन नैबे blue line means this I mean this is blue equation माने blue समानथाय यानी नैबेखौ दिखायगोन नैबे जाबाय red समानथाय this is this line okay मोजाङै नोजोर होनानै नाय बे मोननै लाइनआ नैबे पॉइंटआव इंटरसेक्शन जादों दानस'लायदों बे दानस'लायनाय पॉइंटआनो जादों 1300,0 नैबे कोऑर्डिनेटआव बे मोननै लाइनआ दानस'लायगोन
This is the solution.
Let us get going. All right, Dania, question number 3. सानसेखालि 2 केजि आपेल आरो 1 केजि आंगुरनि बेसेनखौ 160 रां मोननाय जाबाय। Okay, very good. दानसेनि उनाव 4 केजि आपेल आरो 2 केजि आंगुरनि बेसेना जायो 300 रां। बे जाथायखौ रोदा समानखान्थि आरो बुंसुआरियै दिन्थि। All right. बे क्वेश्चनाव जोङो आपेलनि दाम बेसेन आरो आंगुरनि दाम बेसेन मोनसे आपेलनि दाम आरो मोनसे आंगुरनि दामखौ जों मिथिया ओंखायनो जोङो हमनानै लानांगोन ओके नाउ नैबे 2 केजि आपेल माने दिस 2 into x आरो 1 केजि आंगुर y equal to 160 होखानाय दंखायो 160 okay this is one equation now बे equationनि coordinatesखौबो जोङो दिहुननानै लानांगोन जों रोंखागौ okay x and y टेबलाव now when x equals 0 this is 0 then y become 160 right so this is 160 next when y equal to 0 this is 0 this then what is the value of x? So 2x equal to 160, right? Now, so x will be 160 divided by 2. So we get 80. Okay, very simple. Now next scenario. Next commanding break is apple means 4x plus 9 is angur 2y equal to 300. Okay, because simplify kalambazing 2x plus y equal to 151, right? Okay, now we put table 1 here. So when x equal to 0, this actually 0, y becomes 150, correct? Second, when y equal to 0, this is 0, then what is the value of x? So 2x equal to 150. So what is x? X equal to 150 divided by 2, so you get 75, correct? Okay, very simple. Now let us draw the graph. Graph को बुबा जोङो बेबायदि मोनगोन नैबे जाहैबाय मोनसे equation blue line जों देखायदों and this is the line Okay, take away with the red equation ko janga red line jeng negative mungkin. Pau nazar hanani nai de. These lines are not joining anywhere. Jerawo intersection gade tan solaya nangkane biye manche parallel. Parallel che. Parallel lines will not have any solution. Parallel line from leak line from actual solution kaya. So there is no solution. X and Y value ko jeng manai no. Okay, remember this. All right, let us move on.
Points to remember.
Maybe 3 points with thumb bindu ko gosola kide. Bindu 1, maybe 2, and maybe 3. Be bindu pramabung deng jenga jodi many equation dowa. Two linear equations. Okay. Equation number ona jodi a1x this one and plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 pe jaiba. Are second 90 equation jodi a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 jaiba. Bindu number 1. बिसोरो जाहैदों दानस'लायगोन दानस'लायनाय जागोन माब्ला when a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2 बा बियो बे मोननै हांखोआ दानस'लायगोन माने you will have a solution मोनगोन. That means you will have the coordinate x and y को मोनगोन. Okay, remember this. Now number 2 बिन्दो नांजाबलायनाय माने नैबे मोननै लाइना नांजाबलायगोन जाबसिनलायगोन माब्ला when a1 divided by a2 equal to b1 divided by b2 आरो this is equal to c1 divided by c2 means ओरैबायदि लाइन जागोन बे जाबसिनलायनाय बेबायदि. Okay. Third one जाहैदों लिक जायो. Leak money parallel jacket. Mabla when a1 divided by a2 equal to b1 divided by b2 are soman janai nonga de c1 divided by c2 a soman janai nonga. Amba be monse jagan leak जोङो last exercise here nukangdi. Exercise number 3 आव जों बेखौ नुदों. Okay, please remember this. Very very important. जोबोद गोनांथार दे. Very very important. All right guys. दिनैनि भिडिअ'आ एसेनोसै. बबेबा पइन्टखौ बुजिनो हायाखैबा कमेन्ट सेक्सनाव लिरदे. आं क्लारिफिकेशन लाबोबावगोन. Thanks for watching the video. लोगो मोनबावगोन. Take care. Bye.